Otu incres Brest 6. Boti communal chapan 6, bulle facite, large Brest have a certain currency in modern society, anthosopus who droit them naturally are qui non finding way to jet them. In war it cm. Terar way to incres your Brest 6 we to jetting surgery, en actually, surgery itself il est risky tant it used to ba, so you man on it to rule it out. Ria dont tout fin out à vous exercice, herbe, productant procédure ta will boss your Brest 6 accuportuo. Die en exercice. Do plus UPS. You might think of plus UPS en arme exercice, but also minon your pectoral, te muscle in your chest. Working out te pectoral area strengthenant en large te chest en mac Brest à parfulé en largé. A bonus, your arin will jet trim en muscular, to. Do 3 set of 15 plus UPS à liste evrioté des to star. A your arin en pec jet stronger, incres ten b of plus UPS per set. L'istoma donne on te floor with your arin by your side on your palin flat against te floor. Push up with your arin to raise your torso, keeping your knee straight on your te on te floor. Continue pushing up until your arin are straight. If you want, keep your knee on the floor to make the push UPS less difficult at first. Lower yourself slowly back to the floor, 10 europea. Focus on flexing your pec as you go. Do dumbbell chest press. Tia note grea chest workout accrete, big strong pec muscle en push out your breast tissue, 1. Pick out dumbbell you can comfortably lift for 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Usine 8, 10 or 12 pound weight a good place to start. 2 or 3 team avec, do 3 sets of 10 dumbbell chest press. You jet stronger, increase ten b of reps per set. Lie back on an incline bench. Hold weight at your side. Lift te weight tovar et over your chest. Straightening your arin, so that two on of the weight to sheote. Slowly lower the weight down en repea. Do dumbbell chest press. Tia note grea chest workout accrete, big strong pec muscle en push out your breast tissue, 1. Pick out dumbbell you can comfortably lift for 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Usine 8, 10 or 12 pound weight a good place to start. 2 or 3 team avec, do 3 sets of 10 dumbbell chest press. You jet stronger, increase ten b of reps per set. Lie back on an incline bench. Hold weight at your side. Lift te weight tovar et over your chest, straightening your arin, so that two on of the weight to sheote. Slowly lower the weight down en repea. Un geste more estrogène. Hormone ta produce female breast during puberty stop produced around the age of 18 or 19. After you can supplement your estrogen supply by adding of soy product such as soy milk, tofu, soy ban, en soy cheese. 3. Breast enhancement pilar made with estrogen derived from air to achieve some effect. 4. Bienvet in general. If you're dating or exercising to keep yourself thin, your regimen affecting your breast, to. Eating more calorie will lead to bigger breast, if you are willing to get a little big in note place, to. Becoming pregnant is not a way to get a big breast boost naturally. Cosmetic solution. Discover breast contouring. You probably use makeup to add flattering contour to your cheekbone hanche. Biumano knota you can also use makeup to contour your cleavage. Inexpensive, albeit temporary, method for achieving a large look it easy to do with a little practice. 5. Jet fully dressed with te bras on top you want to wear. Since the solution involvatric of the, your cleavage en chest area should be visible, wear something locu. If you're concerned about getting makeup on your shirt, you can protect it with some toilet paper tap. Ta said, you probably don't want to use the method while wearing with. Create a cleavage shadow with dark bronze by applying it between your breast. La de brush en sweepy to bar from the center of your chest en upon out, cretin have shape between your breast. Apply a light colored face podé toute top half of your breast. Use a makeup sponge to blunt edge with the bronze for en even finish. Bui a plus bras. Bras technology a evolve toute point or you can have beautiful, genuine looking breast with to having to go and technique for expand effort over exercising. Shop around for a plus bras ta feel comfortable and make your chest look the way you want it to. Agree plus bras on veg you done, shift when you move, or make your boob look pointy or oddly shaped. Plus bras with extra padding can increase your breast size by several cup. Size upon cup or go for 2 or 3 size bigger. Try on plus bras and a shirt before buying them. You might be surprised how much shift they add to your chest, and you want to make sure you look natural and comfortable. Plus PS armade with femme, gel, en even water insert for a natural look. Jet chicken fille. The silicone bra insert are worn inside your une padded bra to provide highly realistic simulation of a real breast. Servette, texturant apprend si kit close to after halting. You can buy them in a skin tone color or transparent. Breast enhancement product. Look into using a breast enhancement cream. The market is full of topical cream containing estrogen and collagen, en purporting to bot increase the size and tone the shape of breast. The cream are set up to sell in your breast and make them apart to be big en some run several $100 about the. No enhancement cream are been proven to actually en large breast, en some source cette cream ma actually been safe to use. 6. If you want to give the option a try, look for a cream with only natural ingredient like chabuté en halo. Worst case, your breast will be soft and moisturized. Consider te brava. Tia breast enhancement vacuum device ta will run you at least $900. Butry research to show it cause the breast cell to en l'argent replicate, leading to increase of one or more cup size. 7. The device if it aid over your breast like a bra, then vacuum ainsi de te cover con your tissue en increase your size of team. It tackle a list d'IVIC to sa différence. Research breast fille. Fille are injection of hyaluronic acid into the breast. Te increase breast by a cup size or 2 of a sur you of multiple injections. Et injection tac à bout 30 to 90 minutes, entre procédure totale à fait $12. Fille ma avec extremely dangerous side effect, sodo careful research before deciding to use on. 8. In some cases you may need a tune up to keep the fille looking natural. Consider fat injection. Inti procedure, fatty taken from abdomen or buto quand injected into the breast to make them fully. Since some of the fatty absorbed into the body team, multiple injections are required before you are seen. Pursuit method with extreme caution, since the chance the fat will calcify and lead to major health complications.